Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of MongoDB, a company that's revolutionizing the database industry with its innovative platform. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
MongoDB reported a total revenue of $478.1 million for the second quarter of fiscal 2025, marking a 13% year-over-year increase. The company saw strong customer growth, with over 50,700 customers as of July 31, 2024. MongoDB Atlas revenue grew by 27% year-over-year, accounting for 71% of the total Q2 revenue. Despite the revenue growth, the company reported a GAAP net loss of $54.5 million, or 74 cents per share, and a non-GAAP net income of $59.0 million, or 70 cents per share.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Subscription revenue was $463.8 million, an increase of 13% year-over-year. Services revenue was $14.3 million, a decrease of 1% year-over-year.
Are there any emerging segments that are gaining traction?
MongoDB Atlas is an emerging segment that is gaining traction, with a 27% year-over-year revenue growth and accounting for 71% of the total Q2 revenue.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP gross margin for the current quarter was 73% compared to 75% in the same period last year. The non-GAAP gross margin was 75% compared to 78% in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $221.5 million, compared to $195.9 million in the same period last year. The non-GAAP operating expenses were $180.7 million, compared to $147.2 million in the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
MongoDB had $2.3 billion in cash, cash equivalents, short-term investments, and restricted cash as of July 31, 2024. Accounts receivable were $311.2 million, net of allowance for doubtful accounts. Stockholders' equity was $3.13 billion.
What are the key points of the cash flow statements?
MongoDB used $1.4 million of cash in operations, used $1.1 million of cash in capital expenditures, used $1.5 million of cash in principal repayments of finance leases, negative free cash flow of $4.4 million, compared to negative free cash flow of $27.3 million in the year-ago period.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating activities used $1.4 million of cash. Investing activities used $1.1 million of cash in capital expenditures. Financing activities used $1.5 million of cash in principal repayments of finance leases.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The MongoDB AI Applications Program was made generally available to customers in July. MongoDB Atlas Vector Search was named the most loved and second most used vector database on the market. MongoDB was named AWS's Technology Partner of the Year in Taiwan, AWS's Global Software Partner of the Year in ASEAN, and Microsoft's Global ISV Partner of the Year in Spain.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Customer renewals and expansion of usage, effects of ongoing military conflicts and economic downturns, potential failure to meet publicly announced guidance, increased competition, ability to introduce new features and expand sales and marketing, maintaining credibility with the developer community, security and privacy concerns, managing growth and retaining qualified personnel, price volatility of common stock.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
Third quarter fiscal 2025, non-GAAP income from operations 065 to 68. Full year fiscal 2025, non-GAAP income from operations 233 to 247.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
MongoDB demonstrated strong revenue growth and customer acquisition, particularly with its MongoDB Atlas segment. However, the company continues to face challenges with operating losses and net losses. The strategic initiatives and partnerships, especially in AI, position MongoDB well for future growth, but the company must address its operational efficiency and profitability to enhance investor confidence.
That's all for today's analysis of MongoDB's financial performance and strategic initiatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think MongoDB is a good investment right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.